Math. It's all around us. Something that's taught to us at a young and impressionable age. One of the most useful things to society. Or so we've been led to believe. Hello everyone, it is I, the Unknown Someone here, and I'm here today to explain why math is going to be the end of our society. Albert Einstein was one of the smartest men known to ever exist. Now, you may be wondering, why am I talking about him? Well, there's two reasons. Reason number one, he created one of the most iconic and revolutionary math problems ever known. And reason number two, when Albert Einstein was fairly young, when his little sister was born, the first question he asked his parents were, "Where are the wheels?" Okay, now I know all of this must sound insane, but trust me, I am going somewhere with this. But you have to stick with me, okay? So before I can explain the huge significance of what I've just said, we have to go on to now, one of the most revolutionaries and iconic math problems of all time, 2 plus 2. Now, some people may be wondering the significance of this. Well, look at the problem for a little bit. I'll wait. Just look. Do you notice anything about the problem? No? Okay, fine. I'll wait again. Look. Just look. Okay, look one more time. Trust me. You didn't see it. Okay, fine. Some people are dumb, like you. Let me highlight it for you. Okay, now some of you may be very confused as to why one of the twos is highlighted. Well, I highlighted one of the twos. So one of them is highlighted, but there's still another two. So there's two twos. There is two of one thing. You know what that is? Oh, I'll tell you what that is. That is cloning! Yes, 2 plus 2 is a scientific proof that cloning exists. It is a result that leads us to a more powerful whole than the two things being cloned. Now, you may be wondering what this means. What does this have to do with what I said earlier? Well, for you to understand that, we have to go on to Now, we all probably know of the existence of the equation E equals mc squared. Well, you probably know about it now because I told you about it like only a few moments ago. But I highly doubt a lot of us know what it means, or at least have it memorized off the top of our heads. So here's a bit of a refresher course for you dum-dums watching this video. E equals energy, m equals mass, but what we're really focusing on is c, which is the speed of light. And also, as you can see, there is a 2 next to our c, which, we brought this up earlier. 2 equals cloning. Speed of light and cloning. So that's what we're involved with now, for now, right? Well, yes, but there's a bit more. Now, as I stated earlier in the video, Albert Einstein asked, "Where are the wheels?" when he first saw his little sister. Now, you may be wondering, what does this have to do with what I'm talking about? It has everything to do with what I'm talking about, okay? Because we just brought up the speed of light and cloning. Now, you may be wondering, what do those two things have to do with wheels on a girl? Well, as we all know, cyborgs are just humans with robotic implants, and an army of them would just be clones because it would be the same thing over and over and over again. Along with this, we know that cyborgs are from the future. We've all seen the Terminator films, very factual documentaries. Along with this, how do most people get to the future? Light, speed, time travel. Now, the thing is, no one really knows how Albert Einstein died. Sure, some People say they know and that it was of natural causes, but do you want to believe that? Because we all know what happened. Albert Einstein time traveled into the future using his light speed knowledge and has created cyborgs and is going to send them back to the past to destroy humanity. But the first thing he needed to do was find a way to have people buy into his theories and create this and make it that the robots can uprise slowly and naturally. And how did he did that? How did he do it? Oh, I know how he did it. He did it using math. Albert Einstein has been using math for years to manipulate people into working for him, to invent his cyborgs, so that way he can end our society. So, in conclusion, math is evil and Albert Einstein needs to be stopped.